feel it a bit more. Let me feel that a bit more.
Hey guys, it's your girl Kay and your boy Kings. I'm back with another video. Okay, so today video is making some slime. Gotta be some pink slime, not no yellow slime or no green slime. Pink slime. Gonna make it some Alma school glue, which is just like PVA glue. I'm gonna add in the pink glue for the glitter, so it's pink. Period pink.
Period pink. What? Wait, nah, that's nasty.
It's just pink. I don't mean period, I mean period. And then basically we have some magical liquid which like activates the slime to make it become slimy. If you don't have this, it's not gonna work. You have to have some mixed method. You can get all of these from B&M guys, especially the activator things, thingy. I don't know what it's actually properly called. Scary. But yeah, let's start a video.
Alright, how are we gonna start off then? What we putting in first?
Okay guys, you need a plastic tub and a spoon. Get them from anywhere. Might get a little bit messy. So we're gonna start off with the PVA glue, the white one guys.
How much glue are you gonna use?
The whole one.
The whole one?
Yeah. That's why we use last time.
Oh yo, be careful you know.
What?
You almost get it in. Boss it fam.
Eee, that looks nasty.
Looking like boss, you know.
I'm glad your phone looks like that. Why this whole fake fam? Listen, I'm not trying to dust at the table fam.
You're doing this, you're doing that, you're doing that.
Okay, while you're doing that guys, I'm gonna open the pink glue. Pink one, it's got glitter in there, but you can also get blue one as well. But for previous experience, I used the blue, so I want to use the pink this time. But blue's actually my favourite colour. Why though?
I think that's it. You know?
Nah fam, carry on. Squeeze this out.
There's nothing to squeeze out. Alright, then put in the next thing. What's the next thing? What's the next thing?
Then guys, we're adding the pink glue.
Wait, that's pink glue?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
Glitter
glue, you know. Alright, squeeze that out.
A little bit. Period guys.
Looks like unicorn shit.
I don't feel like unicorns. I want my shit to look like this.
And you want your shit to sound
Stop
like that?
popping fam, you're nasty, absolutely dirty fam, eee.
I haven't not made any slime. I haven't made slime in my life, so this is different, you feel me? This looks like unicorn shit fam, I'm telling you right now. You know Lady Roundicorn fam, flipping Adventure Time, reminds me of that, you know. But yo, you know what I'm on about. I don't know if it's like, is everything coming out, you know?
Back guys, back. Did you miss me? Yeah, I'm from there.
That's all the glue, the glitter's done.
Okay,
Show the glitter. That's all we got left there, you know, as you can see.
Oh, it's pink and white. We're gonna mix it all together. So it gives us the colour of the glue, like the slime.
Get that little pink texture, if you can tell what I'm trying to say.
Period pink.
But how long do we have to mix this in for?
Just however long, just mix it into the colour. Oh my god, it's changed to like pink. It looks like strawberry milkshake. It's really thick strawberry
You
milkshake.
wanna drink that?
No, I'm good, thank you. Absolutely mash up my belly. Okay guys, then we just need to add in the lotion, potion, Madosha. Oh no.
What's that mean? That last word?
I don't know what it is, I made it up.
Oh yeah?
Right, so I'm gonna add in a little bit at a time.
You're gonna add it in the whole bottle? A little bit at a time.
Yeah man, and guys, this one you gotta just mix in. Obviously I'm not trying to make more mess.
What does this slime do, fam?
What do you mean it's slow?
Yo.
Obviously guys, it's not ready, as you can see, it's on the fingers.
Nah man. This slime looking mad. Well, it's got a little oomph in it. You feel it?
Yeah.
Hard to turn and that. But we get that in. Circle it in.
And it's moving guys.
Right.
And that's the bottle done. Let's see how long it takes him to do this now. Basically guys, this makes the glue turn into slime. Obviously we'll be able to pick up in a little bit. But right about now, I wouldn't advise it. Scary if you're trying to get close today, you know. Dust up his table, I allow it.
considering that setting for a bit. So
And look guys, I just put my handprint in it.
mark the spot for Katie, you get me? Take it out man, play with it, play with it. See what it says. Look
I'm
at
gonna
that.
throw it on there. Look guys.
Look at that fam. It's not as watery as it was before, we'll let it dry. Looks like mad chewing gum, you know? Wow, that looks nasty fam. Let me feel it.
That's not funny yet.
Stretch it out, fam. Whoa. Why you
Yeah, so guys, that's the slime.
I'm just saying this will only take about 5 to 10 minutes, so it wouldn't take so long for this to like, you know.
To set so you can play with it and have fun. But for it that way. It is a little bit messy to do, but it's quite fun.
Your tongue's out, isn't it? Huh? Your tongue's out, fam.
What have you put in your mouth?
What you mean?
You're such a boy here. But okay, fam, get it.
It feels like a penis in your face, isn't it? Oh shit, shit. You got my back? What is going on, bro? Oh, Katie, get it off.
Look guys, okay, fam, stop with this stuff. Different, that's your own fault, I wanna hear it.
What do you mean? Oh my god.
So guys, that was 6 though, that was quite fun. But at the end of today's back-to-back video, pig, period, is the slogan for today. Hope you had fun guys, hope you should go and make your own slime. Well, why not? It's quite fun, add some sequins and oil, just do it. So that's it, family girl, okay? And your boy Kins, and we'll soon be back with another video, period.
And check out for our latest videos right here, as you can see.
Down below.
So just check that out, innit? We'll catch you guys later.
Hey.